I'm Todd Hudzel with MarineMax in Panama City Beach. This is a 2021 Grady-White 306 Canyon. Today I'm going to walk you through just a few of the little features and added touches that help set Grady apart from its competition. Grady-White has one of the highest resales in the industry. People ask me why sometimes, and the reason is quality of materials, quality of construction, and attention to detail. One of my favorite examples is this flip-up bow light. The lenses on bow lights on boats are plastic. They sit out in the sun, they bake, they crack, they break, and they have to be replaced. Because this one stays out of the sun when it's not being used, it could last forever. So a Grady may cost a little more up front, but it also pays you back in the long run. Through resale, like I mentioned before, but also the cost of ownership of a Grady is lower than most brands. One way is, you notice there's no storage in the floors. When you put storage below the waterline, you have to have a pump to pump it out. You take an electric pump and you put it in a damp, salty environment. How long do you think that pump lasts? You have to replace them every couple, 3 years. So by having all the storage elevated and gravity drain overboard instead of pumps, it lowers the cost of ownership. Now Grady calls this boat a 306. It's a little over 30 feet. In fact, it probably is 30 feet 6 inches. But the impressive thing is really the width, the beam of the boat. Grady's tend to be wider for their length than other brands, which gives you a number of benefits. One, it makes them more stable when you're fishing. When you're not moving in a beam sea, waves coming up the side, the boat doesn't rock as much, and it's a more comfortable motion. The other thing it gives you is a lot more deck space, and it gives you room for this very spacious and comfortable head. Now we're at the business end of the boat, the stern, where the fishing happens. Great fishing boat, great layout. Notice the fish box is up high, it's elevated. Not only does that mean you don't have to have pumps to pump it out, like I discussed earlier, it's also a lot more convenient to use. You don't have to get on your knees on non-skid. People don't have to move out of the way when they're fishing for you to get fish in the box. You catch a fish, you gaff or leader him straight into the box. He doesn't have a chance to thrash around and sling blood as much, so the boat stays cleaner, it's easier to use, and it's more fun to fish. There's also this great tackle station, huge live well, sink, fresh water. You have raw and freshwater washdowns here, as well as at the bow of the boat, and lockable rod storage that was in the opening of this shot. So this is Todd Hudzel with MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Come on down and check out this boat for yourself today. Find out why they call it the Beast.